This is not just watching, it's an adrenaline-pumping experience. Fasten your seatbelt, because this adventure will keep your eyes glued to the spectacular display of mechanical power. Oh no! The massive pickup truck is backing up toward the ancient tree. A powerful chain is hooked tightly around the sturdy roots. This is a battle of sheer force. The driver hits the gas, and the 100-horsepower engine roars ferociously, its thunderous sound ripping through the air. The tree trunk is ripped from the ground, its roots snapping apart like thick ropes. The Morbark 1100 drum grinder stands tall like a true monster machine. Its mighty 600-horsepower cat engine roars to life, echoing powerfully across the worksite. It's gearing up for a devastating, awe-inspiring performance. Large logs and green waste are piled into the massive hopper. Inside, the 24-hammer rotor spins, creating a dizzying whirlwind. The machine devours everything in its path. In a dramatic instant, the material is pulverized into tiny fragments. Absolutely spectacular. If you're as captivated by this incredible machine as we are, don't forget to drop a like or leave a comment to share your thoughts. A colossal super grinder makes its appearance, massive in size and brimming with power. Its powerful engine roars, ready for the ultimate challenge. A tree trunk up to 60 centimeters in diameter is fed in. The timber is processed swiftly and efficiently, with no delay despite the massive load. Each log is transformed into chips and biomass, delivering spectacular productivity. The gigantic Cenobogan machine dominates the unloading area. This is a display of superior power and incredible agility. Its powerful engine runs tirelessly. The long, sturdy boom extends outward, like the mighty arm of a giant. The impressive grapple clamps down on a massive pile of logs. The heavy load is lifted effortlessly, without a hint of wobble. Absolutely spectacular. The powerful timber cutting machine advances, its high horsepower engine roaring with authority. The mechanical arm reaches out, clamping down on the massive tree trunk. The sharp cutting blade strikes without hesitation. The terrifying screech of metal tearing through wood echoes loudly. The tree is effortlessly severed in an instant, showcasing unrivaled power. The trunk is immediately fed into the cutter. The high-powered full-tree harvester moves in, radiating sheer force. Its mechanical arm extends, firmly gripping the trunk at the base. The sharp cutting blade activates, severing the tree with absolute precision. The tree is lifted effortlessly, harvested from root to tip. This machine doesn't just cut, it processes and optimizes every step of the operation. Absolutely spectacular. The Kubota X080 makes its entrance, equipped with the advanced AFE disc grinder. The grinding disc spins at a dizzying, relentless speed. Material is processed effortlessly, turning into fragments in a dramatic instant. The homemade firewood processor showcases its devastating power. The massive, sharp 35-inch saw blade begins to spin. Thick, hard logs are positioned for precise cutting. The saw blade strikes, slicing through the wood effortlessly and cleanly. The Extreme 80T pressure log splitter stands tall, radiating sheer power. A massive, solid tree trunk is positioned precisely. The superior 80-ton pressure begins to build. The strong, razor-sharp splitting blade slowly advances. The immense force makes the wood fibers groan and twist under the pressure. The homemade log splitter showcases its superior capabilities. Its powerful engine roars, a mighty yet steady sound. A log is positioned, and the splitting blade begins its work. Each piece of firewood is crafted perfectly and neatly. The rail-mounted DZT 8000 TKT drum grinder rolls into action, a colossal, powerful machine. Green waste from Myrtle Beach is fed into its super-durable grinding drum. The drum kicks into operation, unleashing unbelievable, superior power. This compact yet mighty machine rolls in. It's the Stump Humper, a mini powerhouse monster. The 27 HP Kohler EFI engine roars to life, its sound sharp and commanding. The massive, fawn-like grinding blade spins at a dizzying speed. The grinder devours stumps spectacularly, leaving behind a clean, level surface. The massive John Deere H414 harvester head moves into the forest. This is a machine of astonishing power and precision. The hydraulic arm extends, firmly gripping the large diameter tree trunk. The devastating cutting blades activate, spinning at a dizzying speed. In a dramatic instant, it tears through the tree trunk. Oh my gosh! The massive cat excavator moves in, equipped with a specialized cutting head. Its hydraulic arm extends, powerful yet precise, clamping tightly onto the giant pine trunk. The sharp cutting blades activate, spinning at a frenzied speed. The enormous pine tree crashes down, creating a truly impressive sound. The banded whole tree machine showcases its devastating power. Its colossal 1,200 horsepower engine roars, the thunderous sound shaking the entire forest. Large, cumbersome trees are automatically fed into the machine's massive intake. Hardwood is pulverized in an instant, the dramatic sound of destruction echoing. The entire tree disappears, replaced by a steady stream of clean wood chips flowing from the conveyor. A massive spruce log is being loaded. It measures 13.5 feet long and 4.3 feet in diameter, well beyond the machine's usual capacity. The crane and grapple can only open to 4.6 feet, making this an extreme challenge. The machine strains under the load, its powerful engine roaring with a mighty, effort-filled growl. The massive Croco log splitter moves in, a truly powerful machine. Its high horsepower engine roars, the mighty sound echoing all around. A thick, solid log is positioned, a true ultimate challenge for the Croco. The log is effortlessly and precisely split in two. It handles this massive piece of wood flawlessly, delivering maximum efficiency. The Atom original sawmill rolls in a 660,000 beast. This is raw, controlled power in action. Its high-powered engine ignites, the thunderous roar shaking the entire site. All hydraulic drills spring to life, creating a spectacular display of coordination. The machine begins cutting and processing massive logs. Superior pressure is applied as the cutting blades move with precise, decisive force. Huge logs are split effortlessly, at dizzying speed and with absolute efficiency. The Shin System's power-packed mower moves in, full of power and strength. Its high-horsepower engine roars, ready for a destructive performance. This machine is built to conquer any obstacle. It charges into tree canopies, stumps, and in used wood. The massive cutting blades spin at a dizzying speed, creating a whirlwind. The cleanup process is fast and remarkably efficient.